Hey Speed Scouts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a bold new move by Ford, an initiative that's set to shake up the market as new tariffs take effect. Stay tuned as we break down how Ford's From America for America campaign is giving U.S. shoppers access to exclusive employee pricing on its 2024-25 models and what this means for you in these uncertain economic times. On Thursday, Ford Motor Company announced an innovative sales initiative that allows car buyers to purchase its 2024-25 lineup, including gas, electric, and hybrid models, at the same discounted prices that its employees enjoy. Branded as From America for America, the campaign debuted on the very day a new 25% U.S. tariff on imported vehicles took effect, underscoring Ford's commitment to supporting American consumers during uncertain economic times. The promotion comes on the heels of President Trump's sweeping tariff increases on U.S. trading partners. Measures intended to protect domestic industries but widely predicted by analysts to drive up prices across a range of consumer goods. One study from the Michigan-based Anderson Economic Group even estimated that these import duties could push car prices up by as much as $12,200 for some models. Against this backdrop, Ford's decision to extend its employee discount to all U.S. customers is seen as a proactive move designed to ease consumer concerns and counteract the potential price shock. Running from April 3rd through June 2nd, the From America for America campaign offers significant savings on a broad selection of 2024 and 2025 Ford and Lincoln vehicles powered by gasoline, diesel, hybrid, and plug-in hybrid systems. While most of the lineup is eligible for these discounts, Ford has excluded certain high-demand models, including Ford Raptor trucks, as well as the 2025 Expedition and Navigator SUVs and Super Duty trucks, to maintain balanced inventory and margins. In addition, buyers of electric vehicles will benefit from complimentary home charger installations through Ford's Power Promise program, further sweetening the deal for eco-conscious consumers. Whether it's navigating the complexities of a changing economy or simply needing a reliable vehicle for your family, we want to help, Ford stated in a press release. The automaker's decision is rooted in a desire to provide immediate relief amid concerns about rising costs due to tariff impacts, helping customers secure a good deal before broader market price adjustments take hold. This promotional move is part of a larger trend among automakers as U.S. consumers rush to purchase vehicles ahead of anticipated price hikes. With tariffs set to affect not only vehicle prices but also key components like engines and transmissions, Ford's extensive U.S. manufacturing footprint, which covers roughly 80% of the vehicles it sells domestically, positions the company to absorb some tariff pressures better than its competitors. However, even Ford isn't completely insulated, as many models still rely on imported parts. Analysts suggest that Ford's strategy may help drive up dealership traffic at a time when overall auto sales have experienced a mix of modest gains and slight declines, partly due to the looming uncertainty in the market. As other manufacturers adjust their pricing strategies and even scale back production in response to similar tariff challenges, Ford's bold handshake deal with every American could serve as a key differentiator in a turbulent economic landscape. By extending its employee pricing to all U.S. customers, Ford not only bolsters its market position but also reinforces its long-standing commitment to American manufacturing and job support. This campaign is a clear example of how automakers are adapting to geopolitical and economic shifts, striving to maintain consumer trust and loyalty in a time of rapid change. That wraps up today's update on Ford's game-changing From America for America campaign. If you found this breakdown helpful, give us a thumbs up and drop a comment below with your thoughts on how these tariffs might impact the auto industry. Don't forget to subscribe to Speed Scout for more in-depth automotive news and insights. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat in the fast lane. Thanks for watching Speed Scout. Stay fast, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.